Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and I'm here to give you a quick look at our top stories for the week. We're back after a break last week with quite a bit to cover in the gold space. After running up past the $1,860 per ounce mark midway through November, the yellow metal has taken a tumble. At the time of this recording, it was sitting just under $1,790, around where it was when the month began. Gold's losses this week have been attributed to elements like a stronger US dollar and better treasury yields, although Jerome Powell's US Federal Reserve chair renomination has pulled other factors into play. Some market watchers believe he may move to taper and raise interest rates faster than planned. Looking at the larger picture for gold, I heard recently from Nick Barisheff of BMG Group, who believes the stock market is due for a major correction. It's impossible to know when this will happen, but Nick emphasized the importance of acting before it's too late. He pointed out that investors are typically slow to get out of the market once a crash actually begins. They wait for a turnaround, and by the time it's clear there won't be one, they've experienced big losses. In his opinion, the solution is to get out of the stock market early and transfer money into gold. Here's how Nick explained it.
Now, today, you've got to take it one step further. Instead of taking your money off the table and going to cash, because cash is devaluing daily, then you go to gold. So gold would at least hold its own, but probably appreciate like we've seen today. So by sitting it out in gold, you can wait till the market finishes correcting and then buy back in.
With gold's future in mind, we asked our Twitter followers this week what price they think the metal will be at the end of 2021. The poll was ongoing at the time of this recording, but most respondents voted for the 1800 to 1900 range. We'll be asking another question on Twitter next week, so make sure to follow us and share your thoughts. Finally, in the cannabis space, INN's Brian McGovern spoke with Dan Aarons of Advisor Shares to get his thoughts on 2021 trends and what's ahead in 2022. Dan was candid and said if he had to choose one word to describe the cannabis market in 2021, it would be painful. Like many others, he's been disappointed in the industry's performance this year. While positivity initially ran high due to excitement about the potential for federal legislation updates in the US, ultimately progress has been slow. Still, Dan has hope for 2022 and said it will be a huge year for cannabis. He believes US reforms will come sooner rather than later and thinks those widely anticipated changes will bring a wave of M&A activity. Specifically, he expects to see alcohol, tobacco, and other consumer packaged goods companies making deals with cannabis entities, not just cannabis players doing transactions with each other. That's all for this week. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates and interviews. You can also follow us on social media or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. We'll see you next time.